ENOS Njeru akoretwo agitungata ta mumemba bodi-ini ya KTDA kuma zone 6 kuma mwaka wa 2021 rwagicagurwo kuyuria ithenya ria ICHOHO uria wiriga kuhagurwo. Akioya utongoria uyu Njeru ni atariirie maria arabanga kwaririra niguo kurehe mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa MACANI na oho gwetha kihonia kia mateta ma arimi aya.
We look forward through my chairmanship to propel this sector to higher heights. Let us put aside all politics issues and be focused on what we aim to achieve.
Oho Njeru augite ni agutigirira arimi ni mona faita iria yagirire na ningi ni mamukira fataraitha ya thairira.
We will sit down with them, agree on strategies and ways in which we are going to perform or to carry out our duties and bring cohesion in the board and even in the whole sector and assure even our stakeholders wherever they are.
Umwe wa maria makoretwo makihatiriria arimi ni gucerithirio kwa marihi ma bonathi Njeru akiendekithia marihi maya marekagiririo mweri-ini wa mugwanja handu ha mweri wa 10.
I want to assure you that the issues raised will be carefully considered under my chairmanship. I am committed to translating the discussions into action, implementing the necessary reforms and addressing the challenges faced by our chief farmers with the goal of bettering the returns of their hard work.
Njeru arayukia utongoria riri bodi-ini ikoretwo egumirwo ni ngucanio cia utongoria ikinya riri ariona gutwika igoti-ini riathanite kuhagurwo kwa ICHOHO kurugamio kwa ihinda nginya cira uria ahandite igoti-ini utwithanio. ICHOHO akoretwo ari muikariri giti wa bodi-ino kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 kuria oereire utongoria thutha wa uria watungatite ta muikariri giti kwa ihinda ria miaka mingi kwa murithio kugerera ithurano mwaka-ini wa 2021.